Hello, guys, and welcome back to another video with the Bitblond, the craziest blonde in a world about crypto, perhaps in the universe, I'm sure. Yeah. Before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must, as always, do your own work, do your own research, okay? And with that in place, today we're talking about the top one AI coin of the market. And perhaps if the projects keep performing the way they are at the moment, this project is definitely going to skyrocket. We're going to have a look on a price prediction. We're going to have a look on how to buy them, how to find them, and where to find them. And more importantly, we're going to have a look on their project and why this coin is so popular. Anyway, let's just get straight into the screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. And first of all, one second. First of all, let's have a look on CoinMarketCap. Let's just have a overall look. This is artificial super intelligence project. They are doing really, really great. You can call it fetch AI. However, um, it's quite low at the moment, which is a great buying entry and opportunity for the next altcoin rally. And everything these days is correlated to AI. AI has a massive role in everything we do. And if that keeps going really well, I believe it's going to start the rally soon. And it's currently trading at 0.7224. So even if it goes like to $5, it's a massive, massive profit. Of course, you shouldn't invest any amount that you're not willing to lose. But however, we're going to have a look in the entire thing today. So then you can also take your own decisions on it. But I believe this is one of the greatest projects when it comes to AI in the market, and they're doing extremely well. Anyways, so if you want to buy, you just come to CoinMarketCap, search for them, and press buy on eToro, buy on Binance, buy on CoinEx, or you can buy on KeyCEX as well. And perhaps on your own exchange, if you are already in crypto, if you're not part of cryptocurrency, you can buy on Coinbase pretty much everywhere. They're quite listed everywhere, I believe. So it's an interesting one to have a look at. And let's move to the price prediction a little bit because I think I'm seeing some opportunity here. So it has been actually in this consolidation phase, as you can see, for the past weeks. We have been consolidating and consolidating, and that's the daily, by the way. So it takes one day to close a candle, right? So it will take time. But even if we come back to the previous high, which is at 349, it's a massive profit. It's below $1 still. Imagine that could be an incredible, incredible opportunity. We can call it a descending triangle as well. And a descending triangle, it's likely to break out. But as I mentioned, that is the daily, and this is definitely more into the long term token. But however, if you want to trade this and if you have money, if you can, trade as well, I think it's still one of the greatest AI tokens on the market. However, let's move to the project and let me know if you guys can hear me, if everything is working fine. I will move to the main website, which you can also find inside CoinMarketCap, and you should always, always read and have a look on a white paper as well. Trust me, you don't want to be like, most people. Anyways, let's go straight away into the website. So artificial super intelligence alliance, or fetch AI, you name it, is building a lot of things on the back end. They're not only a token, and here's the thing: some businesses do really, really well until they get listed. And then when they get listed, people correlate the price of the stock or the price of the coin to the actual business. And sometimes it does play the opposite. It has nothing to do with Fetch AI, but I'm just telling you overall, we need to separate two different things: price action and the actual business, and what is actually behind those businesses. Anyways, they're building a lot of AI infrastructure. They're providing multiple things. If you come to the first page, you see you have a menu with products. You can view all products. Um, AISI1 mini LLM. You can go through it. You can have a read. You can have AISI compute, AISI wallet, ASI data, pardon, agent, verse, I believe is some AI agent, infrastructure, you can research, you can have a look on the community. And please, if you are investing in anything on a long-term token, spend some time, go to the community, have a look on the blogs, have a look on the press, have a look on how many events they attended, have a look on their team. You need to, get your hands dirty at something that you're investing for a long term. If you are on a trading side, I'm not even talking that much. Anyways, so here at the main page, they got the mission, and it says our mission is to decentralized AI. We provide a robust open source innovation stack that empowers developers, enterprises, and research worldwide to build ethical, scalable, and groundbreaking AI solutions, ensuring that advanced intelligence remains a shared, accessible resource. So they have actually an interesting mission, and you can read more about it. And why ASI Alliance? Question: is decentralized, open sourced, privacy first, transparent, and open sourced, aligned with incentives and modular infrastructure. So it's an AI that is decentralized, even more powerful, because a lot of AI companies that are super centralized. Anyways, and you can join them, buying a token, exploring products, starting building with ASI, grants, and community overview. So you can even apply for grants if you are some Web3 AI projects. You can build on top of them, which is very, very interesting. And they have the product section, which is like an overview of the products. And the featured one is the ASI1 Web3 native LLM. So the AI slash one Mini is the world's first Web3 native large language model LLM engineered for autonomous agentic workflows. It's designed to think, adapt, and collaborate, ensuring your AI driven workflows are smart than ever. Developed by Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI, is a large one. Mini is compact, fast, and built for real world natural language applications with integrated knowledge graphs, and it delivers context aware adaptive interactions, ideal for powering AI agents, processing documents, and scaling decentralized systems. So they do have a very interesting product as well. And you can build, like if you are a crypto nerd, you're probably gonna love this one. Anyways, you got AI, which is power intelligence system with adaptable LLMs and agent frameworks, from reasoning engines to composable agents, builds next gen AI with precision and scale. You can explore the mini Web3 native language. You can explore the agent first, and you have tools. You can leverage practical tools that bridge real world needs, prediction, data discover, research, transactions, each designed for modular use across the ecosystem. And you can explore their wallet as well, which is there too. And you have the infrastructure, run decentralized AI at scale, tap into tokenized compute and interoperable data layers that support secure, high performance AI workflows from end to end. And then you can explore the ASI compute and explore the ASI data. And you have the product blog where you can go, and you should go and read some press and some stuff as well. And you have the infrastructure overview also, which is the featured one. ASI compute brings decentralized compute for scalable AI, and it's the foundational execution layer for training models, running interference, and powering AI agents at scale. So you can press learn more and learn more about the compute as well. Innovation stack through a composable stack of interoperable technologies. Developers, researchers, and enterprises can build intelligent multi agent applications with native support from data, compute, governance, and orchestration, and build and deploy dynamic AI workflows seamlessly. And you can learn more as well. And you got the ASI data. It's a decentralized data management platform that enables developers to create, manage, and monetize data related application. And you got the ASI chain, which is a high performance modular blockchain optimized for decentralized AI coordination, autonomous agents, and cross chain observability, powering the ASI ecosystem end to end. So one thing that I really like about them, because they got multiple business opportunities in like into like it's literally, how can I explain, every successful business must have at least four ways to generate profit, and they got more than five ways here on how you can potentially build with them in different ways. They got the chain, they got data, they got stock, they got this, they got that. So I think, however, has more than four ways to generate income and options from one product. It's already a massive winner on the market. And yes, you have the blog where you can go and learn more about it. And you have the research overview, which is more like a tech language thing. The meta programming language, a meta programming language built to support self modifying AI system, enabling expressive, flexible, and efficient development by allowing AI agents to reason, adapt, and optimize their own code dynamically. So if you are a coder, you might like this specific, um, you know, this specific language to build on something. And you have Hyperon, which is an open cog Hyperon, the next generation of AGI R&D platform architecture designed to advance artificial general intelligence, AGI, by integrating probabilistic logic, neuro-symbolic reasoning, and multi-agent learning into scalable open sourced framework. And you got the research initiatives at this section too. I think that's more of like someone that is into coding and this kind of stuff. Research publications explore the decades of research, decades. Okay, so they've been researching for decades. That has gone into developing a robust tech stack for developing decentralized artificial intelligence. And even if you're not a very tech person, um, it's just nice to read everything before you get into any long-term commitment with any investment. Okay, ecosystem, not financial advice, by the way. You got the ecosystem, the developer hub, partnership, community, and I'm not going to go through every single one of them because I think we did pretty much all of it. And yes, today, Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance FAT is trading at 0.71. So it's down 6% and is also showing here powered by CoinMarketCap. And yes, you can reach them out. You can have a look on their team as well, which I always like to do. By the way, let's have a look on their team. 300 plus leading experts from Fetch.ai, Singularity Net, Ocean Protocol, which is one great too, and Kudos, bringing together visionary AI researchers, blockchain architects, and dedicated community builders driven by a passion for ethical, accessible, decentralized AI. Our global team actively shape the future of artificial intelligence and Web3 innovation. So you can easily see who is behind it, which is something that I like. But as you see, it's 300 plus leading experts from multiple projects. And projects like this, they're not really playing, they are bringing real solutions. And however, AI is the future, we all know that. And there are other AI projects that I can have also a deep look into. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to know any of them specifically. But yeah, I think this one fact is gonna go really, really parabolic as soon as we start to have the altcoin season, and also is combined with massive utility. I'm not getting into memes yet here. I've been trading memes on the past. I've been, into some memes like early, but I believe we are changing away a lot around here. I'm not saying that memes is bad. It's just they have different approach, and I'm very into RWAs, which is real world assets these days, and this is one that has real world value. Do you know what I mean? I think the crypto world, even NFTs, you see a massive rally on a penguins. Everything that is correlated to something with the real world utility tends to stay longer. So we want to get in projects like this super early before even $10. Like if that coin go to $10, you can make a massive, massive profit as long as you can wait and you can afford to wait. Is a very interesting, great opportunity for us. And also, I'm very bullish on AI. But yeah, guys, let me know if you want me to have a look in any specific one. But I believe this project deserves an entire video here because it's a great one. And if you do, I hope we all make it together. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, by the way. I'll see you soon.